What you give comes back, like a boomerang. What we send out, through our thoughts, words, and energy, always comes back to us. It might not return right away or in the form we expect, but it returns. Just like a boomerang, this principle touches every area of our lives: relationships, abundance, health, and inner peace. If we want love, we must give love. If we want respect, we must offer it first. Yet many of us hope to receive without giving, to feel supported without showing up for others. We guard our hearts in fear, but still long for connection. It doesn't work that way. A person who gossips will attract gossip. One who manipulates will face betrayal. Someone who hoards in fear often finds themselves lacking, while a person who gives freely usually receives more than expected. The universe doesn't react to appearance, but to energy. Generosity done with guilt doesn't create flow. But even a small act of kindness from the heart can ripple out in powerful ways. One man charged high interest to the needy, thinking he was smart, yet he couldn't collect even the base amount. His greed repelled abundance. It wasn't the act, it was the energy. Giving isn't just about money, it's time, kindness, presence. The way we smile, forgive, or lift someone up instead of judging. Even our thoughts about others matter. Judging breeds judgment. Envy creates disconnection. What we experience often mirrors what we put out, consciously or not. Those who gain wealth through deceit often lose it or live in fear. Others, though not rich by society's standards, are full of peace and purpose. They give because their soul overflows. Every soul chooses different lessons. Some come for abundance, others for healing or simplicity. There's no higher path, just different ones. Even pain has purpose. Life brings us what helps us grow. What feels unfair now may be a hidden blessing. When we shift how we see challenges, our energy shifts, and the boomerang starts to return something new. So ask yourself, what am I putting out into the world? Am I giving with joy or holding back in fear? Am I supporting or silently judging? The good news, we can start fresh anytime. We don't need to be perfect, only honest and willing to choose again. Give what you long for. Be the peace, the love, the kindness you wish to receive, because what you give always finds its way back.